Okay, everybody, I have a 2007 Chevy Impala, and it got stuck in reverse, and so I'm making this video because it was hard for me to find a video, so I wanted to make it easier access. So I went to Advance Auto, right? You see that back there? That right there is what had me stuck in reverse. That little metal shield looking thing. So what I did was I called Advance, or went down to Advance, and they gave me these bushings, and they were too big. So I called GM. They wanted me to pay $75 for the whole piece. And what I did was I went and got these universal little rubber things, and yeah, it says wire garment, but I'm trying to figure out how to keep, sorry guys, that metal cable, and I had a better position, that that wire cable connected. So what I did was I put those little rubber pieces, and I used a small one to kind of fill in the hole, because when you realize that it's gone, it'll be gapped, and you can take that hose up real easy. And but I put two little rubber pieces on there, and I got in the car and I moved the gears around just to make sure that they would stay secure. So it's kind of hard to get this in gear, but this right here, right there, is what I'm talking about. And see, since I put those little rubber pieces on, it won't come off now. But that was my issue. So anyway, it's my first YouTube video. I hope that this helps anyone that gets their car stuck in reverse. You will find a lot of YouTube videos on here where you can take, and I'm not going to take it apart again, but if you take this apart right here, there's a button on this side which is near the passenger seat, and it's a silver button. They tell you to push it in, it will unlock this, but that didn't work for me. It still wouldn't go into park. I got up under the hood, and that's what was missing, and I couldn't go nowhere. Couldn't start my car, couldn't do anything. So I hope this helps for future people that have issues. Sometimes it's not that, sometimes it's the wiring in here. It could be a loose wire or something. But just wanted you guys to know that was what my situation was, and because it took me a long time to figure it out, that's what that was. Now you'll see one right here, and people will talk about this one, which is real easy to get to. That's your other one. That's your other transmission cable. But the one way down there is where I had to get to. And of course I had to take this off. It attaches right here into the air filter. I had to take that off to get to it. Hope this helps, and wish you guys best of luck. Thanks.